How you guys doing today? I'm going to show you a little bit more about Microsoft Word, and this is Microsoft Word Chapter 2. I'm going to start you off with again showing you how to spell and grammar check, but this is spelling and grammar checking with multiple words. I pressed F7 and the word I was looking for was paddling, so I changed it. I didn't want to change this, so I left it as the word it was. Sometimes the computer doesn't know what word you're looking for. This is the word for. I do want to change that. I do want to delete and on top of here it says repeated word. It explains to you what's going on. To tell you more about the exciting new, it realizes I put an extra new there, so I'm gonna delete it. Grammar checking in green shows that I put we is compared to we are. So that's a pretty good suggestion. I'm going to take it. I put a capital O, so I'm going to change that also. And so on and so forth. This is actually a word, but because the computer has set words already, I'm going to add it to the dictionary. So now everything is set. Another thing I want to show you is, I'm going to open the document. It's having multiple documents at one time. What you want to do is you want to go to the view and you want to put in the top corner it says view side by side. So what that does is it puts both documents side by side. So if you need to cut and paste something from this document, if you need to drag and drop something from that document, if you want to copy this document onto this one by typing it, you can see it right here. So you can definitely put that to use. Both documents are simultaneous also. And what that means is that if I shrink this document or zoom out of this document, they're both going to zoom out. They're both going to zoom in. Another thing that I want to show you, I'm going to mess this out. You can definitely play around. You can definitely play around. You can definitely play around with that if you want. Finding and replacing text. Now, in this top corner, it says find. It says replace. We're gonna click on replace. It says find what, replace with. Now, this is definitely helpful for if you already written out the entire document and you realize you want to change some of these words. Well, I realized I use the word tour a lot, but a synonym for tour is trip. So I want to type the word tour in, and I want to type the word I want to replace it with as trip. And I wanted to find them. You get to preview it, or if you move this out of your way, you get to see where the first tour is, and it's highlighted. Do I want to replace it? Maybe I don't want to replace this tour. So let's go to the next one, find next. And the next one it found me was there. I want to replace that one with trip. I click replace, and it replaces it with trip. Now that is definitely beneficial and helpful because you're trying to save time and you're trying to get your document done without having to sit there and scan the whole document for this one little thing. You can also use find to help you find spots in the document that you want to delete, or maybe you want to change it, but you don't have time to sit there and go through the whole document and find it. So you go to find or you go to replace and you type in those keywords and it will highlight it where it's at. And I'm going to show you some more.